Hey friends, so this video shows how to create Python egg. So this is one project. So for this project, I need to create an Python egg. So first we need to create these two files, setup.cfg and setup.py. So this is the project directory where my Python files. So outside that, I have created two files, setup.cfg and setup.py. So let me open setup.py, cfg, and see what is inside. So you can see it has one metadata section, the name, summary, author email. So these are, so I think you need to provide only these. The name is important, other things are not important, I think. Then these are, I think, optional. So only name is the required one. Then go to the file section. In this file section, you need to specify the package, what we need to include in the package. So I am saying include the STM client directory in the package. Then if you want to include some other thing, you can specify it there. Then this is related to test. This is not mandatory. Only this one and name and this metadata. These are the required items. Let me save. Then let me open setup.py. That is very simple. You can just copy it. You can see here import setup tools. You need to install Python setup tools. Okay. Then import setup tools. Then just multiprocessing. It's just importing. That is optional. Okay. Then this is the important one, setup tools.setup. You need to call this setup function of the setup tools module. Then here you can see I am passing setup request is equal to PRB. So you can just copy these things. So there are two files. Then I am going to generate the egg. So for that you can just simply run this command, Python, then specify the setup.py file. So this is the py file which we created. Then bdist underscore egg. So let me run it. So let me check what happened when I executed that. We can see it has created a build directory. Then it has created a lot of things under that build directory. Then it has created one STM client dot egg hyphen info directory, and inside that couple of files it has created. Then it's also created a dist folder. So let me do ls. You can see the newly created directories here, build, dist, and stm client.egg. Hyphen info. So first let me check what is inside build. So these are the files required for build the package. Okay, then let me check the what is inside this dist. So inside dist you can actually see the egg file. See, this is the egg file which we created, ls-l. You can see the size here. So this is a egg file. So let me check what is inside this egg-info. Inside that you can see a couple of files. Let me open this pkg-info. So there basically you can see the name of the package and a lot of things which we specify in the setup setup.cfg file. Okay, then let me check what is inside the source. So in the source, actually you can see all our Python files. See, so let me check what is inside this top level .tsc. There you can see the module. Then let me check what is inside this PRB.json. Does nothing. Then no zips. Then dependencies. Okay. So anyway, we have created this egg file for the project. So basically what we did, we just executed this creating setup.cfg and setup.py. That's all. Okay. So please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment. I will help you. Okay. Thank you for watching.